Hey guys, welcome back to SocialNet. In today's video, I'll show you how you can register for online banking account on Lloyds Banking Group. If you want to access your financial transactions and account histories from anywhere and anytime online, then registering for your online banking account could be the best decision. The process to register for your online banking account is pretty simple, secure and straightforward. In order to get started, all you have to do is watch this video very carefully and follow the simple steps. First, go to any browser on your desktop and go to the search bar and search for lloydsbank.com. Once you land onto an interface like this, go and tap on Logon option. From here, go and tap on Register option. And once you are on the welcome page, it will only take you minutes to register for the internet banking. You'll just have to enter your title here, then type in your first name and last name, then set up your date of birth, and you need to enter your UK postcode in here. So if you are not from UK, then you can tap onto this box. And if you have more than one account, then you can use any of them here. For that, you'll have to select your account type. You can register with your debit or credit card, loans, mortgage or share dealing accounts. And once you are done filling the information, you can go and tap and continue in order to submit the information. And once you have submitted it, you will have successfully registered for your Lloyds Bank account. So if you had more than one account, it will be visible in the internet banking once you have registered. Joint account holders need to register it separately. And after entering some simple details about yourself, they will create some login details where they will do some security checkup to make sure if it's you. And then you can also register from your mobile banking application. So this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.